बात नहीं, ऐसे यूज़ कर लेते हैं। I'm honestly starting to like this space. Like I don't have to rush into edits. I don't have to think of a limit कि अच्छा ठीक है Instagram मुझे allow नहीं करेगा for 3 minutes. I just have my own pace. आराम से बात कर सकती हूँ मैं. Now, this was written by me on 29th of August 2024, not long back. I had a remote job, which is why traveling came easy on me, and I had the flexibility. I was trying to create content and see where it takes me, try to understand what sort of videos do I like creating. And at that time, my follower count was 2,158. Then on 11th of September 2024, I had a follower count of 2178. Now, if you compare that to the previous one, there's barely a difference of 20 followers. And this was after posting 11 reels. So these were just friends, not even followers or unknown people that started following me. It was entirely the people that I met in the hostel. Now, the reason why I actually go back to these little messages and share it with you guys is my DMs are primarily classified into 3 classes. So one would be I started solo traveling because of you, which is a sweet thing. Then the second one would be where are the bangles from, which is the one message that I always consistently get, although I've mentioned it in my bio, although I've shared it in every reel, but that's one message that I get. And the third message that I get is I started content creation because of you. And I feel like the first pointer, it's already exciting enough. Like the moment you do your first travel or solo travel, you taste it once and there's no going back. So I don't have to push you for that. But when it comes to the third pointer, which is travel content creation, in that case, it can be a very depressing, it can be a very disappointing state because content creation is a very slow process. Like the page that I shared with you, I had posted 11 reels and all I had gained was 20 followers, which were only my friends. So it has been a very slow process for me as well. It was a slow process to recognize what do I want to create content about. It was a slow process to recognize what should my videos be about. So even after I had this clear in my head that I want to document my backpacking journey, how do I edit my videos? So everything has been a long journey, a long and a very slow journey. So if you are in a space where you are starting to create content and you feel a little lost, I would just say hold tight, because this is one field which would change your life in ways you never would anticipate. Like the privileges that you get from being a content creator are just insane. The moment I did that shift from 9 to 5 to a content creator, and the sort of messages I've received along the journey from brands, from events being hosted, everything has been just remarkable. It just makes you feel like, is that a possibility? Is that a possibility? Like you never could anticipate things that are out there. Of course, it comes with its own downside as well. Like at this point in my life where I'm not doing mentally very well or I'm not in a very good state, I still have to create content because this is my livelihood. So it comes with its pros and cons, but the pros will always outweigh the cons. So from August, I was traveling throughout and I had consistently tracked myself, but this was the timeline. Around November was the time when I actually felt like I can see the visibility going wide. Now, just to give you an idea about the numbers I've had on Instagram, because YouTube right now is still a very new space for me. So I would say मैं खुद struggle कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे, but Instagram थोड़ा बहुत कर लेती हूँ. I started content creation with the mindset of being a content creator. It wasn't, let's see where it takes me or let's see where this goes. I was very clear in my head कि content creator बनना है, which is why I had given up on my job. So back in January, I had around 7.5k followers. That was the starting line. And then eventually right now we're sitting on 44k followers. Right now it's September. But the good part was while I was creating content daily, I didn't have to worry about what to create because I used to create content of the clips that I had in my gallery. So it was convenient for me. It was organic for me. I didn't require an extra effort कि अच्छा आज क्या video बनाना है. आज कुछ रेडी होके करना है. इट वॉज जस्ट अच्छा ठीक है यहाँ पे कैमरा है, आई एम डूइंग माई डेली थिंग्स एंड देन आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग इट, एडिटिंग एंड पोस्टिंग इट आउट फॉर यू. सो वो ऑर्गेनिक एफर्ट था विच आई थिंक पीपल रेजोनेटेड विथ कि अच्छा ठीक है, इट डजंट फील लाइक यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल थिंग्स और यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो ऑफ थिंग्स. क्योंकि वो ऑर्गेनिक तरीके से बनाई थी तो आई थिंक इट वॉज ऑल्सो बींग कंज्यूम दैट वे. द लव कुड एक्चुअली शाइन थ्रू. And the second thing was I never really tracked my numbers. Now it could also be because I was traveling at the same time, so I never really got the time to actually see कि अच्छा ठीक है ये रील चल रही है, ये रील नहीं चल रही है, फिर ये रील को मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए. So I never really got the time to actually check कि अच्छा ठीक है I should do this, I should do that. I was just creating content with my heart कि अच्छा ठीक है edits में मैं कष्ट कर लेती हूँ कि this is how I want to create. Although हर एक रील के पीछे यू माइट सी कि अच्छा ठीक है कुछ भी रील लाइक आई यूज्ड टू प्रमोट इट दैट वे कि अच्छा ठीक है इट्स जस्ट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग, बट आई यूज्ड टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स इन द एडिटिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. एवरी रील यूज्ड टू कंज्यूम अराउंड आई वुड से मिनिमम ऑफ 3 hours because it was just a very long and tedious process. तो वो होता था. And the third point was I was very clear in my head that I don't want to be putting out content just to gain numbers. That vision was clear in my head कि अच्छा ठीक है if I'm putting out content, I want someone to relate to me, to understand who I am as a person. And the reason for that was I wanted to have my audience base. I wanted to leave that mark. And I really don't think at this point you would understand the depth of it because पता नहीं when someone is well established and they say something, it makes sense. But when you are just building that base and then you're saying something, तब वो लगता है ज़्यादा बोल रही तो वो हो सकता है वैसे. I'm not denying that could entirely be the scene. But एग्जाम्पल के तरीके में जैसे कि अगर मैं अपना दिन दिखाना चाहूँ in let's say one city which is Jaipur, I would never want to create a reel which is entirely about Jaipur. I would want to put my experience out there, how my experience was in Jaipur. And it would be a very unpolished experience so that anyone who is coming to Jaipur would have an idea कि अच्छा ठीक है यहाँ कैसा है, वहाँ कैसा है. So like when I speak with people who are wanting to be content creators, मैं हर समय बोलती हूँ कि try to put your element out there in your content. Let's say you are creating a reel, तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि even if someone tries to post that content, that piece of content on their page, वो लगना चाहिए कि अच्छा ये इसका content है. I honestly at this point really don't know what I'm recording. It's just मेरे दिमाग में जो भी blatant thoughts आ रहे हैं, I'm just saying it out loud. My only takeaway from this video would be if you are trying to be a content creator. If you're not trying to be one, I am genuinely sorry. I did not have a storyline in my head for this video. It was just me starting to read the diary and then things came up in my head and I just went along. If I had known this, I would have definitely given you a heads up. But now we are by the end of the video, so let's conclude it. So if you're trying to be a content creator, do not go ahead with the attitude of let's see where this goes. Because only when you make this as your survival kit, only when you make this as your only thing that you want to work for, that's when it starts working for you.